What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars, and thanks for joining me again for another Sunday, my friends. So today I'm going to show my top 5 picks and what I'm actually looking to buy, and also what I'm looking to short. So it was a interesting week. The volatility has come back, and it's going to be a lot of opportunity to make some money. So we got to get ready, and I'm going to give you everything step by step. Okay. So I'm going to be also doing a $500 cash giveaway for Thanksgiving, and I'm going to be doing lifetime Discord giveaway number 90 next week. So please drop a like, subscribe, and to be eligible, all you got to do is comment Fib King below at the end of this video, and I'll be picking the winners soon. Okay, so what we're going to do here first, guys, is we're going to start off on SPY. So SPY, I already have gotten some calls. Okay, I didn't go in with too heavy size. I used the drop we had on Friday to start loading into some calls. But my bigger picture new look on SPY is this 575.86 mark. This is gonna complete the harmonic 618 Fibonacci dragon. I'm here on the 4-hour chart, and the key is with the Fibonacci, and the only pattern that I'm really focusing on is getting the 61.8% discount. Okay, so in order for SPY to come to 575.86, we're gonna have to pull back approximately 4% from the highs. 4% from the highs on SPYs, the calls are gonna be cheap. It's gonna be a good risk reward trade for me, and this is how I stay profitable, because I have the patience to wait for these once in a lifetime potential setups. This could be the last pullback before a amazing rally, right? It could also be a loser, but I know that my upside is huge compared to my downside. Okay, so I could take a play like this, maybe take $1,000 to $10,000, and then that's a 10x. That's my goal with all my trades. So you guys might be saying, Rich, how did you come up with this 575.86? And it actually goes back to a previous trade that we took earlier last few weeks ago. So we're going to start off here with this anchor point here, and I'm going to show you guys something very important. So this anchor point here, my friends, was on the 18th of September. And if I come off of this Fibonacci low and I come off of this original high here, you'll see we were holding this 618. And this is the first time that I bought calls. Okay. Recently. So we're going to go back here, and I'm going to hop into the Discord, and I'm going to go to the Dragon Lottos right here. So our lottos, so the last one we had was right here. So 1085 to 1919. And this was based on that setup that I showed you guys. So boom, right here. Okay. So the reason that this is important, this is the 18th of September's anchor. This is the low. So that's why I'm using this anchor again, because I noticed the last time this anchor was in play, we had an algo step in once, and we had another algo step in again. If I come off of this low too high right here, we could see another 618 pullback. So this completes the ABCD harmonic Fibonacci. Let's go ahead and start off. A is going to be here, B, C, and D completion. So 575.86. If the market continues to drop, I'm going to be ready to rock and roll. I have my orders out there. And by the way, if you guys want to join the SPY room, it's only $100 for a lifetime. Go to the website, tradingwars.com, click on SPY Options Mastery. It's going to tell you that it comes with 1 month for free. For the next 48 hours, I'll bump you guys all up to lifetime, only $100, plus my indicators, plus this beautiful book. Okay. So let's continue here. So that's my next play, 575.86. All right, so let's continue. My next major play is Amazon. I already started loading up on Amazon. I'm going to show you the options that I bought. So on Friday, bought Amazon calls right here, 837, the January 17th, 205 calls, popped from 837 to 910. This was a really nice play here on Amazon. This is my first buy since we had this huge winner that we got over 200% on calls back in the 17th of October. But let me go ahead and draw this up for you guys here. So coming off of this low, too high right here, we have this 618 at 202.67. We use conditional orders. As soon as that level hit, we automatically got filled on the calls. We used the market, but it worked out really, really well because the spread wasn't too far apart. And now coming off of this new low anchor to high, this is the bigger picture look. This is our ABCD. 193.86 is my next big buy on Amazon. So I'm going to be watching to see if we can pull into that level. And remember, the reason why I'm using this anchor point is because this was our huge winner trade back early October, mid-October, where we went long at 186.12. So let me just show you guys that for transparency here. So this is the Amazon play. I have it pinned right here. This was back in October 31st. I bought shares on Amazon, okay, 186.12. So that big winner here, and then here, we retested the level twice. And I'm using this knowledge for this to be the anchor point, and this is obviously the new all-time high. So that is the play, 193.86. Stocks room as well, guys, is $100 for lifetime. Just click right here, tradingwars.com, stock options trading. It says 1 month for free. I'll upgrade you guys lifetime for $100. All right. It also comes with the ability to watch me trade live right here in the live streams. Okay, so pretty sweet deal. Let's continue. Next, we have Google. So Google, I'm looking for 168.43. We bought Google on this last pullback here, and then we're gonna line up pretty much with the same support from the last trade. So that's why I'm watching that very closely. Nvidia, this trade is still open. The last time we bought Nvidia was 106.25 down here, and now we have 136.77. Okay, 136.77 is the new buy, and this is a clear 61.8% Fibonacci. This is going to represent a 8.5% drop. So the main reason why I'm using Fibonacci, right, is I'm getting about an 8 to 10, 5 to 10% on volatile stocks drop. And that's why I want to buy. When I see something that's dropping, this is the 4-hour chart on Nvidia. When I'm seeing something drop 10%, 15%, that is a good deal for a Fibonacci trader. And I know so for example, when we had this play right here, Nvidia dropped 20%, okay, and it rallied 40%, okay? So that's a 2x, right? Double up. So those are the type of plays I'm looking for, because how much more can we drop is the question. When we drop 20%, 10% on big names, leaders of the market, I'm willing to take the chance that we can see a rebound, and that's what the Fibonacci helps me do. All right, AMD. AMD is one that I'm going to be shorting, and I'm staying away from AMD. I found this 786. I posted this a few weeks ago, this 150.27 rejection with this outside bar. Once I saw this outside bar come in, I knew that I need to stay on the sidelines for AMD. And thankfully, I didn't buy any more calls. I did have some calls from a weeks ago, and those expired worthless. So I'll be fully transparent with you guys on that. Now, I'm looking to fade rallies on AMD. AMD is not my play to go long. I am looking to short AMD, okay? Tesla, big fair value gap on the weekly right here. So let's recap Tesla. Our first buy was a 786, 144. Then we had this 200 level. And then last week, the week before, we had a fair value gap, 618. The buy was 240. We took advantage of that. Now we have a new fair value gap. The range is between 272 to 305. I'm going to be alerting you guys on here and on X. Okay, so please make sure you're following me on X. Make sure you subscribe and drop a like. I'm going to be giving these away for free. Okay, and I want you guys to be a part of the journey, and I'm also going to be paying gains back. $500 of any gains made on Tesla is going back to you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like. Okay, next, Apple. Flip over to the 4-hour. I have this big picture, ABCD. Again, look, 211.74. Let's draw it out. ABCD. Okay, beautiful 618 on Apple. And that's it. Those are my top plays. Amazon, SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, my top 5 buys. Looking to short AMD. And then I'm also going to show you the futures analysis right now. Okay, so this is very important. I want to really pause and show you guys this. Okay, so this short move was a Fibonacci trade. So we're going to go back to the beginning of the week here. Okay, so this was last week. And I'm going to be completely transparent and honest with you guys. This was a trade that I did not miss. This is a trade that I missed. Okay, so I did not take it. That's what I meant to say. I did not take this trade because I got in my own head and I was waiting for the perfect confirmation. I was waiting for the perfect confirmation. The perfect confirmation never came. All right. So I cost myself approximately $20,000 on this trade. I could have made $20,000 on this trade and I didn't take it. But a lot of people in the Discord did take this trade because I did post it. The Fibonacci Society is where everyone that wants to trade fibs, like-minded fib traders, are taking fib trades. We only focus on fibs. And this is why. Watch this. Okay. So we have a clear ABCD pattern here. All right. Coming off of the first all-time high to this low right here, we have a nice little 618 rejection. And then extending the anchor again, we complete the ABCD. So here we go. A, B, C, D. So right when this we came in to the D, we see a major rejection by the bears. Okay, we see that. Let's full screen this one. We see the major rejection by the bears. And I didn't pull trigger. We come back again, and this right here, candle came in. This was on Wednesday, 10 a.m., 4-hour chart. Everybody thought at this point that the bears failed again. They failed to complete and they failed to hang around. And everyone thought we are going to all-time highs. So I think that's part of the reason in my head that I didn't pull this trigger. But we got this right here, Holy Grail. Okay. This is my free indicators. Let me show you guys. Go to tradingwars.com. Okay. Click on resources. If you scroll down, you'll find my golden indicators completely free. You can download it, just add it to your Tradingview, and I also have it on Trendspider for free. Okay, so let me show you guys this. So when this came in right here, the Holy Grail represents a pause. Okay, so the pause came in, and then we pull back and we pop right up again, and then this double outside bar came. This double outside bar with the Holy Grail was showing the bulls failing to break and the bears defending the 618. And from there, guys, bang, that was all she wrote. Okay, so this trade here was, we're going to put on the full Fibonacci, and I'm going to show you this trade was 100% measured move. Okay, so we're going to put the full on, and what we're going to do here is we're also going to add the negative 1.272, which is also a big time target. Okay, so there we go. That's a negative 1.272. And since this was a 618 rejection, we're going to go ahead and add the negative 1.618, which is also another Fibonacci target. And you could see right here, we held this. So this, what I'm seeing here is 618 to 618. This is a special scenario. This is called market symmetry. We had a 618 rejection to a negative 1.618 extension. So I missed all of this. I missed all of this move here, which is disappointing. But if we shorted on the 618, so there's a few places to put your stop loss. You come off with the swing high, and then you take it to this. So you start covering profits, obviously, in the new low, right? I like to go for the measured move, which is 100%. Let's say you took it all the way down to this negative 1.618. That's a 5.91. If we come off of the 90, that's a 7.88, which I like to use the 90, or the 786 is the most aggressive. That's a 14.41 risk to reward. This is every Fibonacci trader's dream, and this is why I focus on Fibonacci. Negative 1.618, 14.41. What does that mean? If you put in $1,000 worth of contracts shorting futures, you would have made 14,000 plus. If you did 2,000, you would have made 28,000 plus. Okay, that is life changing. You come with $1,000 and you're making 14 grand. You can't do that on anything, guys. It's just amazing. It's beautiful. This is what we trade Fibonacci for. And unfortunately, even me, sometimes I miss it, because I get in my own head with trades, and I'm still up a lot on the year. I'm up over 100 grand with trading, and I'm happy with it. But this is the things I'm going to need to do to take myself to the next level. And a part of me doing these streams is to be accountable to myself and not bullshit myself, and understand what I got to do to get better and be better service to the community, because this is life changing. Okay, this volatility that we're seeing right now here in this market is not going to go away. Under the Trump era, this volatility is going to be here to stay, from what I remember trading during the last Trump era. Okay, especially with the trade wars and all these things that can happen. Okay, so if you're serious, if you want to get ready, it's only $100 for lifetime. I showed you guys how to sign up. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com, if you have an issue. Come trade with the community. All right, be one of those fib traders that can see these trades, so we can keep each other accountable at the end of the day. But just the beauty here, guys. And from now going forward, I have the next 618 leg long, 58.49.50 is what I'll be looking for. I took an attempt on Friday. I got long on the 618 right here. I'll go to the hourly. So you see the hammer came in, and the 618 held for me. I was up $1,000, and then boom, just wiped away. Ended up losing $2,500 on the trade. So it is what it is. I'm going to be ready to rock and roll again. And this is my next level here that I'm looking for futures. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for your time. And I hope this added value to you. and I'll be live streaming next week. There's going to be a lot of crazy stuff going on, and we got to try our best to finish the year absolutely at the best possible strength we can, so we keep that momentum going into 2025, when I'm going to be trading with double the size that I've been traded this year. So it's going to be a big change for me. And thank you again, guys. Comment FIPKing below to enter the lifetime Discord giveaway. I'd love to see you on Thanksgiving doing the $500 cash giveaway. It'll be given away live on stream. Make sure you guys drop your comment. Let's get 100 likes on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's kill it this week, guys. Let's have a great week. All right. Really want to make some money. Let's get this done. Thank you, my friends.